Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me, I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free, and let's get free together. Let's go. What's up guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me, I'm Annie. Let's jump right into this review. Entre Institute. What is it? It's an online business teaching program. They offer courses, they offer coaching, they offer mastermind groups, they offer an affiliate program. The courses are about affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and digital consulting. Who was it created by? This guy, Jeff Lerner. He's an internet marketer, a speaker, an author, an investor, an influencer, all the ers. He owns several marketing companies. One's called like Zurli, I can't pronounce it. It's a digital marketing agency. Then he owns obviously the Entre Institute online educational company. He also owns 7 Mile Digital, which is a consulting and lead generation company. And he's a YouTuber with 62,000+ subscribers. There are a lot of negative reviews around him, but there he is. What's different about it? Just that they have several different products that they're selling, not just one course. They've got all of these, so a bunch of different product options. What else? They try to keep their business models a secret until you buy the course. Not a fan of that. So I'm going to go through what's included in each of the products. In the Entre Blueprint, it's basically their front end main product. You have to buy this product first in order to buy any other of their products. It's just like really hypey. It includes 6 different steps. Step 1 is the 3 Ps, which you can obviously just find right here on his website. Personal, professional, and physical excellence. Just very self-help type information. Step 2 that's included is successful action. More self-help mindset type of information. Step 3 is building your legacy. More fluff. Step 4 is affiliate marketing, which is finally some practical information about building an affiliate marketing business. And then step 5 is e-commerce versus brick and mortar, which is basically just telling you what the advantages are of online businesses. Duh. And then step 6 is online business, which is just basically general information on what's needed to build an online business. So you basically are just buying something that you could read in an article for free. Entre Nation is basically just access to their community, which has some courses in it, including things like dreamscaping your perfect future life, and goal setting for super productivity, and creating your success plan, and optimizing everything. So it's just like basically those, it reminds me of those posters that you used to hang on the wall in high school that were like motivational quotes. Like, I feel like that's what his first 2 courses are about. Entre Nation Elite is then the members only training group. It's an elite level business training with private videos and a chat with their membership group with Jeff and his 7 to 10 figure business owners that are training you on how to build an elite level business. Again, just nothing, no real content said here, just a lot of hypey words. Entre Digital is their flagship product. It's basically a training course about online business. You get live mentoring from an assigned business advisor, and basically you are learning affiliate marketing through paid advertising. So they try to make it seem very secretive and important, but you're learning affiliate marketing through paid ads. Their next product is Entre Coaching, which is basically you are going through the training, but you are having a mentor coach you one-on-one once a week. So holding you by the hand and helping you to build and market your business. This is usually very, very expensive because it's an actual human being helping you once a week, putting in their time. So that's what that is. And then the Entre Inner Circle, their most high priced product. I just hate the name of that, Inner Circle. It's just like, I don't know, it's like Mean Girls. I don't like it. But basically, it's coaching from Jeff Lerner himself. You have to go through a screening, which is basically seeing if you have enough money and assets to pay for it. And then you get private coaching with Jeff and his inner circle, and you get phone access to Jeff. You get 2 live in-person workshops each year. You get 24 bi-weekly virtual workshops, and you get trainings that nobody else is getting for the Inner Circle members only. Still really have no idea what any of it includes because, again, they are very, very, very secretive and just generalized, like business, success, inspiration. Who is this for? I don't think this is good for anybody, but who they are marketing it for. The blueprint is for super beginner. You have never even thought about starting your own business and you just need to know the absolute basic where to even have your mind at to even start thinking about it. It's basically just self-help advice, and you can find it for free if you just Google how do I start an online business, but that's basically who this is for in their eyes is complete beginners. The high ticket products are for online entrepreneurs who have thousands and thousands of dollars to spend on learning online marketing without really knowing what you're getting ahead of time. So if you just really want hand holding and you have a ton of money to do that, then that's who the high ticket items would be for. Who is it not for? Anybody who wants an actual valuable online course with quality content without having to spend thousands and thousands of dollars, this isn't for you. Pros, there are some pros. Jeff Lerner's not a fake guru. He is a real successful online business entrepreneur. The low-end product is affordable, although you could pretty much get it for free. They do have a good affiliate program, and they do have a money-back guarantee. Cons, the low-end product isn't going to help you do anything actionable. It's basically just tips and advice. And the higher-end products are way too expensive for what you get. There's too much fluff about mindset and just stuff that doesn't help you really do anything. And also, Jeff Lerner has a really bad reputation. There's lots of bad reviews and student complaints. So how much does it cost? The Entre Blueprint is $39, and you have to buy this in order to get access to any of the other products. And then Entre Nation is $67. Entre Nation Elite is $67 per month. Entre Digital, I have to say, I don't know exactly how much this one is because they keep it such a secret, but through research and other reviews and testimonials, it sounds like it's anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000. And then the Entre Coaching, same thing. I don't know exactly how much this one is, but through reviews and testimonials and research, most people say that it's somewhere around $15,000. So that's insane. And then the Entre Inner Circle, I don't know if this has changed or if this is just craziness. I literally did so much research to try to figure out how much this one is. Nobody can really say for sure, but some people are saying that when they got on the call and tried to find out how much this was, it was $30,000 per year. I just don't even understand that. That is insane. So, but that is literally what all the research I did, everybody was saying the same thing. So I don't know. That's insane. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee for the lower-end products. I really am not sure about these higher-end products. There's probably some sort of contract that you have to sign and all sorts of wordy things in it. So if you decide to do that for some reason, make sure you read the contract or have your lawyer read the contract. My final thoughts. The low-end product is Fluff. You can easily find all that information for free. The high-end products are way too high priced for what you get, and there are way too many bad reviews on Jeff and his products. So my final verdict, obviously, is that I do not recommend this course at all. The Entre blueprint is reasonably priced at $39, but it should be free. Jeff is not providing any value here. He does not have integrity, and his courses are overpriced for the content that you receive. The only ones that could actually help you create a successful online business are the ones that cost over $5,000, and that's just not the way things are anymore. There's too many really good courses out there with complete blueprints for setting up an online business and scaling it, and done for you content for, a few hundred to a few $1,000s. So there should be hours and hours of content and one-on-one support and coaching and stuff like that, and there's just none of that. That's just not what you want, and I don't recommend this course. There's so many better things out there. So I hope you enjoyed this review and it helps you to make the right decision and go out and get free.